Yes, good morning, Anna. Today I will send the YouTube class. So, check all problems in exercise 3.1 based on the consider the 3 by 2 sum matrices and the trace of the matrix and addition between the two matrices and scalar matrix, scalar multiplication and difference of the two matrices in 3.1. So, coming to first problem. If you have the doubts, you can ask the doubts through WhatsApp. My number 97030130007. If you have doubts in exercise 3.1, send through WhatsApp. My number 97030130007. Name Murli. Mathematics lecturer. Copy that number. Okay. Now coming to see the first question. You have to consider 3 by 2. 3 by 2 matrix means 3 rows and 2 columns. So I will take the like A equal to 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2. That means 3 rows. First row, second row, third row. 2 columns. 1 column, second column. So this position is A11. This is the first row, second element A12. Second row, first element A21. This is second row, second element A22. Next third row, first element A31, A32. They are asking how to consider 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 means 3 rows and 2 columns. First number indicates the rows, second number indicates the columns. 3 into 2, 6 elements you have. 3 rows, 3 horizontal lines, 2 vertical lines. Now what is given A as a value? I plus A. A as a is given I plus A. In place of I1, in place of J1. So 1 plus 1 first element. In place of I second element, first row second element. In place of I1, in place of J is 2. Right side you have substitute. In place of I1, J is 2. A21. In place of I2, J plus, in place of J1. I plus 2 unnana, J plus 1 undi. Right side substitute 2 plus 1. ఇక్కడ 2 కావాలి. I plus 2, J plus 2, 2 plus 2. A31. I plus 3 ఉంది, J plus 1 ఉంది, 3 plus 1. I plus 3, J plus 2, 3 plus 2. So that A matrix you have 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3, that is a 4, 4, 5. This is the matrix A. Coming to second bit. Copy the first bit. Same you have to consider 3 by 2 matrix. A as A is given 1 by 2 into mod of I minus 3j. So capital A matrix, first row first element A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Substitute in the matrix. 1 by 2 into, in place of I1, in place of J is 3, 2, 1 sorry. In place of I is 1, in place of J is also 1. 1 minus 3 into 1 mod. First row second element 1 by 2 into mod. In place of I1, in place of J is 2. 1 minus 3 into 2. A21. In place of I2, in place of J is 1. 1 by 2 into mod of 2 minus 3 into 1. A22. In place of I2, J plus, in place of J2. 1 by 2 into mod of 2 minus 3 into 2. A31. In place of I3, in place of J is 1. 1 by 2 into mod 3 minus 3 into 1. A32. In place of I3, in place of J is 2. Mod 3 minus 3 into 2. So that equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means modulus of minus 2. 1 by 2 into mod of 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2 is 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Modulus of minus 4. 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2, 6. 3 minus 6, minus 3. Modulus of negative value is positive value. Modulus of negative value is positive. So modulus of minus 2 is 2, 2 by 2. Modulus of 5 is minus 5 is plus 5 by 2. Modulus of minus 1 is 1, 1 by 2. Modulus of minus 4 is 4 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 3 by 2. So this is the 1. 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 by 2 means 2, 0, 3 by 2 is the answer. Copy that problem. You have to copy 2 problems.